They live at the top of an old building. A narrow stairwell, steps that creak more than you would expect for that building. When the door opens, an elderly man stands in the doorway. He smiles, but the smile seems to stop halfway. Inside the living room, there's a large cage, and inside the cage sits the parrot. It doesn't say a word. It doesn't make a sound. He used to be much more lively, the man says. In fact, he talked all the time. Now the bird just sits there. Its feathers look dull, its gaze unfocused. And the man has tried everything. New food, new bigger cage, new toys, even radio, telly. He opened the windows. Nothing helps, he says. It's like he's lost the will. Harold sits down. Not in front of the cage, but beside the man. Tell me, when did it start? He asks. The man thinks for a moment. Well, about a year ago, I think. He pauses. Yeah, that's also when my wife died. The words come calmly, like something he'd said before. And since then, he continues, everything's felt a bit heavier. He looks over at the parrot. And that's when he became quieter too. Sophie stands slightly apart. She's taken out her phone. She scrolls, stops, looks up. Hey, that's interesting, she says. The parrot tilts its head slightly, remains still. Sophie looks up from the phone again, and she says thoughtfully, I wonder who has been imitating whom? The question hangs in the room. No one rushes to answer. After a while, the man looks at the bird, and the bird looks back at him. And when they leave Sophie and Harold, the parrot is still sitting quietly. But something has changed. It's more alert now, listening, as if it senses that something might be about to change.